Hey everybody, how's it going? So today, like I promised, we're going to go over the differences between a 96, 97, and 98 dash piece, as well as a 99 and 2000 dash piece. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so what I have here is two dash bezels. The one on the right, which is where I'm pointing at right now, is for a 96, 97, and 98. The one on the left is for a 99 and 2000. Just doing a quick subtle differences video. Maybe it will help you guys out there. These are not compatible in the sense that you cannot put a 2000 in a 97 and you can't put a 97 in a 2000. So they do have the same single port right here on the side. But on a 97, you have this blank cavity. I'll try if I get you guys a little closer. Turn this light on. So both of them have the same 12-volt plug right here, which you also should come with a lighter or a lighter adapter or lighter plug. My bad. But on the 96, 97, and 98, it's just an empty cavity. On a 2000 model or a 99 model, you still have the ashtray, but you also have two more accessory plugs right here, and then you have this little cavity right here instead. So this piece is the same between them, other than one thing. On a 96, 7, and 8, you have this little spot right here, which is actually a cup holder, a dual cup holder, and then this is blank. It's all welded, it's all attached, not welded, but it's all attached. It does not come out. This piece does not come out at all. And then you got your bolt holes right here and right here. So when you take this piece out, you have to remove the cover that for the HVAC controller. You have to pop that cover off to see these screws, or if you yank this, you're gonna break clips and everything. Where on this one, there is no cup holder, and it's just this switch module. If it's a limited model, it'll say security and passenger. You have your back window switch, you have your ECT button, and your defroster switch. That's what goes here on this one. Other differences between them: the clock is in the center on a 99 to 2000. On a 96, 97, and 98, the clock is to the left. Your hazard switch moves on a 97. It moves from 96, 97, and 98. It's on the left as well as the defrost button. They're jumped to the left. Hold on real quick, guys. Hello? Yeah. Okay, I'll be there in a minute. Bye. Alright, so my wife just called me. She needs a ride. But like I was saying, we're just going to make this video quick. All of this on a 96, 97, and 98 is actually moved. So the defrost is physically moved to this panel that goes right here. And then move this back, slide this panel, and this panel does pop in with clips. You can see that I'm not putting it in all the way. See the gap? But so the defrost moves on a 2000 over here. The hazard switch is moved to the center, and the clock on a 99 and 2000 is moved to the center as well. And then the vents are separated on a 2000. So this is passenger vent, this is driver vent. We're on a 96, 97, and 98. The vents are together. And then I will show you guys. They both have the same style ashtray. You can take an ashtray out of a 2000 and put it in a 97. So this is what it looks like from the back. And these little clips do change and are oriented in a different way when it comes to the back of the panels. Flip this one over. This is what a 97 back panel looks like. You can see how they're definitely different. This one actually has all of its clips. It's in good condition. Just wanted to show you guys so you guys know what the differences are. And I'm hoping this will help somebody down the road. There are the same 2 clips up here, same 2 clips, and there's one right here on the side. Same 2 clips here, and then same 2 clips here. So the clips are in the exact same location. All of these clips are in the exact same location. So technically you could snap a 2000 center dash piece into a 97. You just won't be able to use the original bolt holes that are right here on the back of this panel and you see in the front. It might work. They are different. They do have the same light up ashtray. So it's possible to put a 2000 in, dash piece in, but you would have to wire up these 2 plugs because a 1997 does not offer 3 plugs total. It only offers 2. But that is just a quick demonstration for you guys. I hope the video is helpful and the information about the differences is helpful. Let me grab that module that just fell. But that is all I got for you guys today. I do hope that the information was helpful to you, and we'll do some more stuff on this stuff later. We'll do more videos on it. I gotta go pick up my wife. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys on the next video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!